Neighbors. 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 Where's everyone? Alright, so Jilli and I are gonna go brush our teeth. Jilli, have you ever brushed your teeth outside before?
Morning, guys. I woke up like this. Literally. Of course. A country. We used to go country for a weekend.
Okay.
Of course.
So, this is our humble little stay. I mean, there's something. Yo, can you hear the river? The river is like. Here?
Okay, yes.
It's that direction there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And it's just, it's loud. Huh? I am not showering on property and I'm showering all the time by the river. Eh? You don't want to shower by the river too?
Of course, but the water go cool. That's my point.
Oh. Is there more? Mm-hmm.
You don't want to calabash?
Mm-mm.
But you didn't know.
Mm-mm.
Some more bully.
Alright, so we are done brushing our teeth. Don't mind if Jilli looks a bit orange because that weekend when we went camping, we got sunburned, and then you went to a hotel. Yeah. And then you also got, I won't show them your little sunburn. It's bad, right?
I'm
burnt. So we're like stripping at the moment. It's ridiculous. But yeah. Speaking of hotels, man, that's one of the reasons why I'm not really too keen on going to hotels all the time. I like going to these more rustic and more real Jamaican experiences, you know, because a lot of us as Jamaicans, when you're starting out, if you are not as, how can I say, well off in life, chances are you did start out in a board house, you know, and this experience is a real Jamaican experience if you ask me, you know, from the outdoor cooking. You know, I grew up and see some of my family members doing that, you know, from using the river to give you water to your house or to bathe or whatever. Yeah, I like experiences like these. And I believe Jilli did mention that the food at the hotel wasn't great. It really wasn't great. So I found out that hotels in Jamaica, their main selling point is just a place where you can take awesome pictures by the pool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
So I'm not knocking any hotels because I'm gonna try to go to a couple in the near future so that, you know, the people who like hotels that watch the videos can experience that. But yeah, these places kind of really level you, you know, make you feel a vibe. So what was your hotel experiences like while you were there? I mean, you just got here, but so rate this experience so far, like in comparison.
Right here, it centers you, you know.
Yeah.
You feel centered. You feel closer to nature. It's just a different vibe. I want to still take my pictures, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
It's just different.
It really
and
is.
the conversations last night with Mokko.
They were funny as hell.
Funny. The bomber class.
so that's why you guys might wonder, like, you know, why the scene cut from the food part. I ate and everything, and yo, the farm provisions are always A1. That renta yam was really good.
I thought it was cocoa.
No, it's renta yam. It's really nice. Yeah, we just sat last night and just chat and just shared jokes, and we could. It's not even a joke. You could talk to Mokko for hours, man. So we just went back to the car, and Jilli was nice to bring some candy for Rat. And there goes Buggy. Hey, Buggy. Hi, Buggy. Here.
You like
It's
me?
your gift.
I want to throw this away.
Huh?
I want to throw this out.
Yeah, I'll take the garbage.
Thanks.
And the cup.
Bugmeister. How are you?
The karate.
You can eat chocolate?
Yeah.
I have a chocolate for you. I'm stuck on an island, friend.
Come on, Reggie.
No, the fire up. Ratty, where you going?
Make a picture.
Where you going, Ratty? You good?
Yeah, where I come from too.
Oh, I'm wake up already and
Yeah,
do
man.
everything.
I'm go to the road, man.
Yeah.
Oh, chat out, man. Yeah, man, I'm already there.
Oh yeah, work on it in the future.
Yeah, that one I'm going to use. When I New Year come up,
Okay.
when I New Year, I put it out. You know, like January, so go along up in them period of high water, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I say if you have to keep on push and
Yeah, you know?
upgrade the thing.
Yeah. Different style again, you know?
Vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yo, so Coppy was asking about the people that I gave the calabashes to. He said, yo, you remember good thing, you know? We can't really say actually remember that. Vibes. So you say I have more calabash?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I get some calabash from Coppy himself. So if you guys want those calabashes, drop it in the comments. You understand? So I go buy some calabash from Coppy so one can get them.
Yeah, man, me have no for them over there now, man.
Alright, my boss.
So me I go.
So give me some people grass. Some people grass here and ginger. That's the one top tea in the morning, you know.
Yeah, man. Want all the ital thing, them, brother.
Yes, brother.
You, well, on you out of sorrel tea, can remember you introduced me to sorrel tea, you know.
You know, man, this gone up on bush, man. This come and gone a bush to rotted. She not intend to pick up sorry long.
Trust me, you ever had sorrel tea before, Jilli?
No.
Oh gosh,
never had sorrel
it's so good.
Man.
Cause she's a thief one, you know. A tea fanatic, man.
Okay.
But I remember you said I would have did name Mokko.
Panchoke.
Yes, Panchoke.
You fuck everybody talk about it, man. I could be a go for you now.
Yeah.
You go see the bongo, I could be a careful, you can make the video of a could be a now. People see. See that blaze?
It's a great firewood, man.
Yeah, man, no play, man. I eat me youth, brother.
Great firewood, cause remember if you look on it, the outside might look like a hint of green. You might think say you're not dry enough, but trust me.
Wow. Mad thing, man.
Mad thing. Anybody that enjoys outdoor cooking, you'll understand why we appreciate a good fire burning wood.
Yeah.
It might sound crazy to some people who use gas stove,
Yeah.
but once you use a wood burning stove, you're gonna appreciate this. Panchoke. Nice.
You know they are around it. I could be that to go make.
Alright, so Coppy come with the bowl them.
I could be that to make go there.
Alright, so we're gonna take you all of them from your Coppy. Alright, just let me know your fee. Vibes. See, these are the special calabash bowls. Like people love these. These are just like great to eat out of. It's crazy. My father actually was the first person to introduce me to calabash bowls and eating out of them. Because my dad was a rasta man. At some point we used to cook outside, and that's why I kind of appreciate outdoor cooking. It just always had a smoky flavor that the stove could never beat. So I did up with some ital cabbage.
Yeah, man.
Yes, and some tomato.
Man, then I don't fertilize and I touch them, you know.
Hey, one thing I can say still, all of your ground provision food them tastes way different than what you get more. Even sometimes down a market, it tastes way better than it.
Look one I want then. Take up that cabbage there. Take up that cabbage and hold it. Peel that cabbage, that little cabbage. Squeeze it. You squeeze it hard, that can't lick down somebody. That's an ital cabbage.
I really thought, man, the leaves them full over nice and nice.
Real tough. And how much you think you make out of putting in this big pot, you know? 2. Good. I was 3 of them. And you saw it look little. That can't lick it down and kill you, man. I tell cabbage. And then cabbage you go in the market, you see them, when you touch them, then softy, you know?
True.
Me see now.
True, and then spoil fast. And
Yeah, you know?
Real talk, man.
Yeah, man. I slow farming something you have to eat, you know, brother, because if not, if you not eat slow farming something, man waste real quick, you know?
True. Pass out quicker.
Pass out quicker, brother. With cocoa. But me ask my virgin say when he go for if he can't find no breadfruit, then say he can't find no breadfruit, then young.
Oh, that me love you know, man. The breadfruit, nice.
So then this, then young. Me I will eat down there so too, down at the farm.
Okay.
Then young. Can't put no soup rasta.
Yeah, the farm is back that side over there, so slow farming farm.
Yeah, man. Some place probably you can't find, but I know everywhere you can't find breadfruit no fire.
True.
That's cheap, tomatoes, straight tomatoes and cabbage, you know.
Why can't you meet a Pomodoro?
Pomodoro.
Pomodoro.
Pomodoro and cabbage, you know. Yeah. And some hile, you know. Cabbage, we're going to have cabbage, you know.
No, man, that one thing I love, man. Love garlic. Garlic, good for you.
Yeah, I mean, I lick it and I lick it and I deal with it, you know.
Yeah.
Me cook me have garlic in there, you know.
Same.
Yeah.
Same. He's a man we go through all in a 1 week 10 clove of garlic, you know. Love it, man. So, Jilli, you watch the videos, them. Some of my videos with Mokko. You were seeing some of Ras Kitchen videos as well, yeah?
I've seen a few.
Yeah. So, how you feel to actually be in the presence of a great man? How you feel?
Funny.
Funny, no? Funny, bad, and be a joke.
I could listen to him talk all day.
Yeah. I really thought, man.
Yeah.
Yo, that's why I have to always bring other people with me, because the last time me and Mokko link up, I telling her, say, yo, we just chat, listen, all vibes, and it's just. But you actually have to come down here, come and book a stay by River Coolside, and you are going to actually get what I consider the best Airbnb host in a Jamaica. Straight up. You understand? And the man carry thing to a higher level now with the car. Man. So you know say, if you guys need to move around, Mokko did if you take on around.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yo. At the 14th parish, you know. We have that machine to go young, you know.
Oh, so I not just that side there alone?
No, man, the 14th
parish them.
We rest one night or two night or one place, but we do it like one night. That's all. One night, that's all, one night, that's all, one
Vibes.
Night. Yeah, man.
Vibes.
Yeah, man. You know, we not play.
None tall.
We not play none tall. Full moon and full moon.
You puppy them?
Yeah.
Alright, so this way. Yeah, so let's walk through there. So I know that every time we go anywhere, we see puppies or dogs. I mean, I like dogs, so it's cool to see Buggy's puppies. Oh yeah. Hold on, make sure I see.
Oh wow. They're so nice. Look at them.
Yeah.
Them nice, see them eyes them still closed.
Yeah.
When was the last full moon? I think
probably
it was
like a week ago.
Yeah. I saw about the 26th, the 28th or something. March. Look at them. Aww.
Yo, this little kennel hut type of thing is so cool.
There's how many of them? 2, 4, 5. Look at that little one over there. White.
And here comes Buggy. Here comes Buggy. You see your babies? You're not troubling them. Yo, there's something about puppies. It's just, yeah, it's so cool. And who are you, young lady?
Hey. I'm Moana. Hawaiian princess.
Yeah, I just love hearing the river, man. Yes, I had a pot. Japan partner pot. Yeah. See it there? A trouble.
So yeah.
I say the fire start this morning from ashes or it have to catch it. I know so the fire hard for dead, you know.
Yeah, it's a big good thing there, so I just grip up, connect it like one little piece.
And it start back again.
Yeah. I feel big good with bunny in there, you know.
Yeah.
Right through the night, you know, soldier. Right through the night, fire in there. Yeah, tomorrow morning I get up there as a fire in there too, you know.
Yeah, I know.
All the people in there, some people there, then come there every time and say, Mokko, this a fire, yeah.
Yeah.
Out of blood, me say, no, me put special wood in there. You know, see the amount of wood when I go on there, son?
At that, I realize, say,
And
then
some
store up around there,
yeah,
so.
man,
See
yeah,
it, man.
Yeah, man. Some tough wood on there, brother. When they come on to business, you know?
Vibes.
That's what I deal with. You know, all the time, them big one there, you remember too, the grape tree when did they say, you know?
Yeah, can I say, oh, something feel like you're missing around there. Yeah.
Because you know, see the pretty shoe black again with the whole heap of pretty flowers just gone up.
Yeah.
When you run by the grape tree, so you know there's something missing there.
That may I say? Chocolate. Why you use this on make? Oh. No? Really? Me never have this yet.
That's what I need to make chocolate.
Yeah, man.
I know that much, but never.
You can't take it out and suck the seed, but not chew it up, you hear? Like bitter.
How it tastes, sweet?
Yes, man. You have come here a long time. It's the second time you know test this.
Me
And
never-
put up this, brother.
Me never tried this
Yeah,
up.
boy. It's
Yo.
sweet, man. Come like this, but not chew it up.
Like Guinea.
Yeah, man, not chew it.
Yeah.
Don't go suck off the seed.
Only them take the beans.
It's almost like a sour
Yeah,
sauce.
Alright. You know it what. Take the
That's
bean.
why I sent them out where we come from.
Mm.
Only for this one.
It's nice, man.
So finish it. Yeah, you take it, man.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
The start of chocolate.
Yeah. Break your day. You don't get the bars as yet, but you know, like a bars them, we use and boil the tea.
That's what I asked you if you had.
Yeah. The woman up there so makes them too. So Coppy, I tell him I go check the lady will make them one next lady, so we don't know if you're lucky. Probably you're lucky you get.
I'm getting. This is so cool.
See them.
Hmm?
Just have them a lot when I was growing up. Wow.
After so many years on God's earth, it's my first time. See? Crazy. See that? Fresh lime just fall with you. You know, so lime
You know
expensive
how much
though.
else is going to sell at Moshe Lime in town?
You know, I thought, you know, what, one dozen,
Slime. Which, they put them in a bag with six.
$600 or $500, you know.
Oh, 600.
Oh,
Mhm.
and so we have it
How much
here.
squeeze them? No juice.
No
Not
juice.
juice.
Sad.
Realest
I'm
thing.
gonna fuck up your money, you know?
Thank you.
I'm
Thanks.
gonna fuck up your money, brother.
Really good.
Thanks.
Just enjoy them, man. Enjoy them fire.
Yeah, thank you.
I
Thank
make
you.
the ball.
You know what's funny? You're looking at the camera like when somebody gives you the one award, you're like, yeah. It's actually a trophy.
Yeah, excited about lime.
I want to make
You don't
some
get
nice
lime,
lemonade.
Yeah, man.
I could make a nice drink.
Yeah. Vibes.
Great
You know what we have done?
Oh yeah, we got
Yeah,
yeah. This
you know, we
week
have
is
done
gonna
a
be
bush.
lit.
You know what we have done at the bush you feel too? Some nice sibling orange down there, you know.
Oh.
Your sibling orange good people we make juice, you know. Yeah man, yeah man.
See, but orange
Use
got
them
nice
straight.
juice.
eating them later.
Oh.
This is really mushy gashy.
Man, that come like a little appetizer, brother.
Mm-hmm.
So you know that now when you come,
Mm-hmm.
and then you come back, forward again, you know, say, oh, where my appetizer then? My chocolate. Look, you hold a back there so up your chocolate now, you know, brother.
Mm.
Yes, sir. Your chocolate now run on that side there. Sometimes we put them and make hammock there,
Mm-hmm.
and I look for them to find it for you. When they rise.
And you're supposed to know what this be.
Yeah, man, lemongrass, man, with ginger, man. That what kind of tea me I go blood this morning.
Mm-hmm. I like that tea, aka fever grass.
The real one nice, but we like the tea bag one.
This is the real one. And that one, yeah, I make it with the ginger, them, you know. I put ginger in the tea this morning. Nice, man. The one I have it with the ginger, though, right?
No, I never had it with ginger.
Wait, there, I got taste so it up there. This one, this is fever grass and ginger mix it really nice. I use it. It can boil tea, huh?
I know that much more than I will make tea with it. No, so? Jilli, Mommy usually use turmeric. Make tea? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You can get some, if you want some.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but you have wild, no blood clot like us, then grass, you know.
Hey, Mokko was bad with sweet, you know.
So me I say when the other them a go, the other them can get some of it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, turmeric, yeah, that would be
I have enough, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, hold it, man.
I blend it up seafood.
Okay.
I blend it with garlic and honey.
Oh.
And have like a teaspoon.
Mm.
I put orange in here. That's to get rid of the taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I have a teaspoon every day.
Okay,
The
okay.
immune system.
Up.
Yeah. Check this out.
That is
With the idea.
honey banana, so?
Cheese banana. that one,
AKA Chiquita. So? Then call him a Chiquita banana? No, I said it's honey, what? There's another name.
Yeah, that one I call that one a cheese.
Chi.
Cheese banana, I call it.
Oh.
Yeah. You see the honey one?
Mm-hmm.
The only one eat nice bad, you know. The only one me plant down as you know.
Which one is the honey one?
I'm going to show it look more.
Appetizer.
Me don't eat, me can't eat my food.
Bam. So, what banana taste?
Tastes like sugar. It's sweet.
I'm glad to hear you if you say that in a cause me, you know, I say it.
Sweet. No, this is a life.
Vibes.
You taste it?
Hmm?
You taste it?
No, I taste it off camera. So, I break it to piece, I put it and I said so.
Bro, look where. Ratty farm there. Ratty plant all the yam this year and some people farm and the ratty go there go dig them out there, man. Dig it down too soon.
Oh,
Yeah, ratty, you see that.
the woman after some yam.
After yam to eat and the woman I said, don't make me come know, you know, don't make me come sweet and know. Pull up back the whole ratty, pull up back the
That's funny still.
pull up back the whole ratty. Don't make me come see it, don't make me come know anything.
Jilli, that a ratty first boobs. You bad boobs ratty.
Yeah.
Get the yam.
No one make come know say indigo the yam them, argue it.
But now I gotta let that cabbage look really nice.
Wow!
Jilli, come look on it now. Look really good.
Yeah, yo. You know, prepare cabbage like how some people eat prepare cabbage, you know. I prepare it, I put oil and water in there, you know.
Yeah.
We work with it, you know, and the tomato and all, then sit there and scallion and some garlic, you know, so.
Yeah, look good.
Yeah, I make the oil always, see? I steam with it, you know. See it there? In there. Highland water, me I deal with it, you know. So when you get it, it's really sharp and it's really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, well, I got this with bread, man.
Okay.
That nice bread that you take care of this, you know? And some fever grass tea and
And
ginger.
maybe I get the chocolate.
Yeah, you go get it later on, man.
Okay,
'cause
that's fine.
the woman no come in. He make them this too, you know.
Oh.
And then make them down the road. So Coppy know if you want them, you know.
Steve, you need to get some of this wood.
Wow. Right, look good, you know. Yeah, man. Water and high. They use steam cabbage. Some people use special sitting butter or something. See? The water sit there. Water and high, you know.
Jilli, wake up and full enjoy the experience.
I
So
am
whether with the sleepy
I'm
thing.
enjoying it. I'm relax, man. I'm relax.
But then soon wake up.
No.
Hear him down. They know. You know. Okay? As long as you go in everybody.
Yeah, man.
It feel like he can lift up the whole house, man. Trust me, man.
How much sugar you want, Stevie?
You can go to yeah, man. Tell the
Yeah,
man.
see them out. How much spoon you want? Sugar you want?
Like 2 spoons.
Sugar.
But look at Jilli cooking inside Ras Mokko's kitchen.
Chat to me. Oh.
I say, me telling you, someone who been watching the videos for years. Yeah? And I always say, no, want to come to visit Ras Mokko. And then I met Jilli and come to Ras Mokko's before, you know? That not sound good.
That's one. You guys should come
Yeah.
for this experience. We're gonna have fever grass and
Yeah, man.
ginger.
And ginger.
Tea, right?
Yep. Alright, let's see right here.
You see, puppy them crawl
Oh
out
yeah, I'm hungry.
and crawl out to see Buggy. See Buggy right there, so. And the puppy will crawl somewhere right there. Trying to find the teeth. That's how they find the teeth. Them just smell around because them can't see.
It's kind of like a cheesecloth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. You see that now? All. See that?
Yeah.
I'm excited about the tea.
I know, because he's a tea
I love
person.
tea.
Yeah. See this now? That's it. Nothing go through it, you know, better. See it?
Yes, sir. See that?
Yes, sir.
Alright, Drake, stop it, sir.
Yeah, all right, stop right there. Even root, anything me have, so me program it. Then I give people prostate cancer and all kind of none of the stupidness in the instructor. Mokko block it. Yeah.
Just like that.
Mokko.
Mokko.
style.
Mokko black it.
We need to start see a tea
So
them
Mokko, your tea
on
then.
your
You know,
website,
drink
you know.
tea? Are you
Yeah,
drinking
man,
tea
I go
already?
drink tea, man. Help me put this over it.
Come here. So I give you tea and I'll put it here.
You know though, Mokko.
Hmm?
We need to start see a bad tea them on the website.
Yeah, man.
Then you go drop it on the website.
Good job.
So we can see what's happening with it.
Mm-hmm.
As I said, my favorite tea when I was down here last time was the sorrel tea.
Mm-hmm.
The very first time trying it, and it was really good.
Good.
Really, really good. What do you think about it, Jilli?
This is so good.
So
I'm a
good.
tea drinker. I love tea.
Eh.
And this tea is really nice.
Yeah, man. And that. So when you go back
It's not
home,
too sweet. You guys should try this. Lemongrass with ginger.
Ginger.
It's really
Yep.
nice.
yeah, man. When I go back, man, I get some of lemongrass
Thank you very much.
and get
Hey, we get things.
get lemongrass.
You know them thing about that song there?
Oh, what I'm saying.
Oh,
Drop it in the comments, guys.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's like time just stands still here. It's just like 9:36.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like I've been up forever.
Yeah.
If you're in Kingston, the time just go.
Yeah, fast. Real talk, man.
Time just nice and
Beer sleeping in the pond. You can't even stay up.
you have been driving all the way from Kingston.
Listen, remember I asked you?
Must tired.
I asked,
If you tell me we're going to Portland,
Yeah.
so you make me drive the long way. Well, if you did tell me, so we're going to Bath.
I mean, the mine is stuck in the island again. You never see you drive that side, you know, you come this side.
me, last time I never drive that side of either for you, Mokko. I drive go around Harbour View side and come round.
Oh.
Yeah, drive on the coast.
So that why you hear me a call you every time and I
So make sure you're stuck.
Okay. Yeah. You want more stuff? Want to?
I stayed with the four. The four is good for me.
You need to make some little stuff, Dolly.
Yeah, me and the
No, we're progressive. We're not stuck. Oh, whoa. To see this happen for myself is a sight. Yes. Firewood.
yeah, man.
She need more wood for her fire.
Panchoke.
Pancho and gross here.
Okay. Vibes. Breakfast as share out, you know. See if you don't want strong like Coppy. Now if you eat them food, yeah.
The Coppy, I go look where you go look bowl.
Guys, I wish I could have smelled food. Yes, I.
Feel hot now, like after we eat, we're for the bed.
Yeah, River Street.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
Feel hot.
The tea warm me up.
Feel nice, yeah.
Really good tea. Really good tea.
Thank you. This is
Thank you very much, Mokko.
man, blessing.
So
Much
where are food
appreciation.
at? You know, so I have to make sure I eat with you.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Nice tea and cabbage.
That's the food.
Oh,
Amen.
amen.
This is my type of food, yes, sir.
Yes, I.
No salt business, man. That's what we like out here, yeah? You get this cabbage, you want to eat it every time. And you taste it, you know. What do you man cook? Yesterday morning, me cook
I'm not greedy, man.
Look good.
I'm not put a plate in my hand.
this is about, you know, but everywhere me shop around, me I see, you know, this one fishermen and this one, this and that. You tell me, say, him, yeah, that be the one that you are a type of boss, yeah? You tell me, say, you know, one woman have the boss, have a boss, you know?
Oh, before I forget to note, guys, the last time I came to Mokko, like, there wasn't internet connection in terms of the LTE, but now, I don't know if they added a new pole or because I got a new phone, but yeah, you can get internet, look on Instagram or whatever, probably even work remotely if you choose. Ratty plant this, huh?
This pumpkin.
Look at it, pumpkin pretty, man.
Yeah, man, ratty farm, you know, it's gonna come off, you know.
Ratted.
Ratty farm, this will come off, brother.
I'm going with things, man, that can make a nice soup.
Yeah, man. So that's why I cut them out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I got to replant a CMC there.
No, we are going to plant it today, we are in the Empress.
Ah, yeah, man.
But then she said, she a plant something to you.
Country girl.
People look up to that too, and
That's
say,
true.
"What?
That's true.
See it? People always got muck out something while if you come at the farm to plant.
Yeah, man.
That attracts only that people with so fast.
True.
One go they go plant something too.
True,
That's
yeah.
one next lady a plant something there.
Vibes.
Yeah, man. Vibes place, man. Full of vibes, man. What do you, man?
Stephen!
That's good. Watch out. Oh, you sneak off.
Oh my God. I'm just relaxing.
Relaxing.
The food.
Oh. I say I got my open the window. You can't sleep, man. Go open the window them so you can get a little bit warm in here.
And there's something here. Let's have
God, I always like seeing these door contraptions. Yeah, it gets kind of hot in the days because of the zinc. But in the days you can always sing there and just go to the river. Look who is up on our boat.
Wow.
I love to show some of the people, but you don't know that thing already.
I put no cigarette, nothing in there, no. Pure.
Pure the
Try
river.
to turn me over.
Pure, that high tide.
Wanna go down to the river?
Yeah.
Down by the river.
See the natural lighter, yeah?
My great weed.
Do it the right way. No one's a big at that. A skinny. Mokko sauce. Alright, for those of you who are so in love with these calabash bowls like I am, oh, this is a calabash. This is the original looks like. They split it in half and then they dig out the insides of it and then allow it to dry. And then once the outside is dry enough, it becomes hard. And then here you have your bowls, you do whatever it is. So Coppy just get some more a while ago, which you might go sort out it really, don't it? Vibes. So you said short day herb. What do you mean by short day herb?
Shot the herb like just throw it like January, brother.
Oh,
And read April.
okay.
3 months herb.
And then dried it.
Yep.
I'm kind of excited.
Yeah.
You see what inside look like now?
Everything always be a first.
You know what I wanted to do, Stephen?
Oh,
I want to make candles.
candles.
Yeah.
Find them quick, man.
No, serious, me serious. No, some more I know too.
You have to ever do them, because right now people don't want them.
Anybody come and I want them to buy to sell them.
That's where you burn come from up a higher height.
Sure, go higher heights too. Alright guys, so right now we're just gonna end this video here because we are going to the river. Main reason going to the river, if you guys want to see how Coppy makes those calabash bowls in details, I'll video that for you guys so you guys can see where your products are coming from. And also we are going to go for a shower, yo, by the river. We're gonna be it from morning, so we'll do that really quick. But anyway, remember these 3 things and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.